Hey guys, I'm the Python dev here, and today we will be doing a very simple Python tutorial, just doing a couple basics like printing, some functions, and if else, and try except. Okay, so let's get into it. So, like I said, we're going to do print, which is going to be print a string, hello, YouTube. I refuse to do hello world. Okay. And if we run this, I just push this play button because I have the extension. Hello YouTube, like that. That is very easy. That's how you print the console, pretty easy. But what if we want to have a function that does that? So to do this, we'll define a function with the def keyword, and it's going to be my function, and print this is a test, and print def function test. Okay, so let's run this and see if it prints those. Ah, it didn't. That's because we didn't call the function. That just defines it. But if we actually call the function, it will run. As you can see, this is the test, def function test. That's what we have here. But we just did that with one line of code instead of two. So yeah, okay, that's pretty easy. What if we want to have an argument in this? It's going to be true. It's going to be called boolean, and for in here, let's just pass true, like so, really quick. Capital T, make sure it's capital T. So we're going to do if boolean and else. So basically, if true, we'll run if boolean is true, and else will run if it's false. Okay, if boolean print valid, let's just do valid, and otherwise we'll print not valid. Now let's go ahead and test this. There we go, we got valid. What if we pass in false, like so? It's being very slow because I'm currently downloading something. But as you can see, it's not valid. But what if we do an else if? Now, it's actually elif, but it's an else if. Elif, which is else if, we're going to, we actually need an else if boolean is equal to maybe true. So maybe it's true. Maybe boolean pass maybe true. We're going to do print might be valid. Okay? In here, let's go ahead and pass maybe true. So it might be true. We don't know. Pass maybe true. And wait for it to run. And it's if boolean, this is supposed to be if boolean equals true. Okay. There we go. Now it might be valid. Again, might be valid. Okay, that is perfect. So we did some ifs and else's, some functions, and basic print. Okay, let's do one more thing. We want to do the try except. So we're going to do try eat cake except print doesn't work. Eat cake isn't a function. Let's see what happens if we pass in something weird for try. See, it doesn't work. Since eat cake is not a function, it can't do that, so it does the except, which is print doesn't work. But let's say we print works. It will print works because it does. This does work. It will print it. So it doesn't have to be except. Now there are multiple kinds of except. You can do except, I don't know, there are multiple times or multiple types, but a lot of the times I'll just do a normal except. We'll go into more detail on the except part of the try except in a later tutorial. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is the Python Dev, and remember to smash that like button, smash it right in half. And if that cut that part out. And if that subscribe button is not already gray, go ahead and make sure it's gray. Anyways, my name was the Python